ASAP Plumbing and ASAP General Contracting. We have gone about as far as we can go with this one. If you've seen our other videos, we are finished up with our wallboard, and this is our last day. So the tile man's going to come in next week, and he is going to pour a mud bed, and then he's going to, I should take that little plastic cover off right there. That's not the end look. Now our plumbers will come back in a week or two, and we'll put in our trim and finish that up. And we have a anti-scald valve here. This is a adjustment arm that would be very beautiful, and it's got all kinds of extra plumbing back here for it. And that adjustment arm is for a spray head over here. So we have our normal head, our normal shower head, and then a spray head, kind of like this here, but a lot nicer. So that's the old one we're not going to use. And to give you an idea, this is what we started with, something like this that was about 40 years old, and then we are now migrating over to a beautiful new shower in a very rustic home. It's a beautiful, beautiful rustic home. And we are, like I said, about as far as we can go at this point. And like I said, the tile guy will come in and put his tile on there. And again, this is our shower pan liner down here. And again, thank you for calling ASAP, or thank you for looking at our videos, ASAP General Contracting, ASAP Plumbing. And like I said, this is the rubber pan liner that runs up behind all of these walls. And it actually runs over the curb. We have a curb here that we built, and it runs over that curb. Everything here is custom built. This was originally a tub that we converted from a tub to a shower. So imagine a 40-year-old tub that was sitting here, and now it's a shower.